Hey there, this is Lee of Lee Launches back with another video, and in this video I want to share some Canva digital product ideas to sell on Etsy. So this video is part of a series of videos where I'm creating an Etsy store completely from scratch. There's a link above if you want to go and watch the other videos. So if you're new here, then my name is Lee and I like to create videos like this on how to create digital assets to sell online. So make sure you click subscribe and click the bell icon above so you get notified every time I create a new video like this. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So the reason I decided to create this video is I am currently in the process of creating Canva templates to sell in my own store. This is my store launch kits. I'm selling templates for businesses to use to launch their own projects. And one of the templates I am focusing on and creating at the moment is YouTube branding kits. However, what I've found as I've been researching is that there's so many different types of templates to sell on Etsy and that are selling, and I want to share those with you. Probably too many that I will ever get around to creating and selling, so maybe you can create some of these and sell these yourself. So I want to share what I'm seeing and what is selling on Etsy currently. So first up is Canva template ebooks. So there's lots of Canva template ebooks selling on Etsy, and you can see lots of different examples here. Now, just to give you an idea, if we click the Allura tool, which is a Chrome extension, which I mentioned in a previous video, there's also a link in the description if you want to check out this tool. If you haven't got it already, they have a free trial, which you can get with the link below. And basically, if we click on sales, we can see that some of these templates are making, a decent income. So this one's sold 39 sales in the last 30 days and has generated over £882 of revenue. And there's lots of different templates, and that's just Canva template ebook. I say Canva template ebook because that's the key word. Let's look at another example. This is Canva templates for coaches. Again, you can see lots of different examples. Again, these are ebooks, pamphlets, digital books, and if we click the Allura tool again, we can see that many of these templates are selling. So moving on, because I've got lots of ideas to show you, this one is Canva template realtor. I'm really interested in this one. I've created things for realtors in the past, and I think this is a great niche to get into. There's lots of different types of Canva templates for realtors, for real estate agents here. And again, let's click the Allura tool and see what we find. We want to click sales again. So this is an Instagram one, real estate new client. Let's have a look at this one. So this is a Canva new client packet, which is sold on Etsy. And we can see that it's sold recently on the 17th of October. So going back to Allura, we can also see that this template sold £722 worth of revenue, 51 sales. So let's look at some more ideas. This one is Canva templates for business. Lots of different templates for business. Again, that's the key word that you could use to sell on Etsy. Here's another one. This is Canva templates for social media. Lots of different templates for social media that can be sold on Etsy. Another one is Canva templates for Pinterest. There's lots of demand for Pinterest. Another idea, and this is one that I'm working on, is Canva templates for YouTube. These are Canva branding kits. These don't sell so many, but I think this is a good thing to get started with. Again, I'll show you the sales numbers for this. So this one sold 11. So you can see the sales numbers aren't as many, but there's still enough, I think, to do something with. So a couple of more ideas for you. Canva template webinars. So these are templates for webinars, for people, for businesses, online businesses to brand their webinars. This one is Canva templates for Christmas. So I'm recording this in November 2020, just coming up to Christmas. So obviously there'll be great demand for these types of templates. I think this is really interesting. You can see there's printable tags. I'm not sure if that's Canva. There's a Christmas card. Let's just have a look at this one. So this is a Christmas template bundle. You get a Christmas Instagram post for Canva, animated story for Christmas, Christmas template card, and planner kit. And we can just have a look So it says it's had 6 sales and 141, I presume that's pounds. Because it's Christmas, this is really interesting. And finally, Canva template for coaching. Again, a bit like the ebooks and the business. There's a bit of a crossover there, but more templates here. And finally, a bonus idea that I want to share with you is if you type into the search bar Canva template, you'll see that Etsy already suggests all these different types of products, which is what I've been doing for my research, and then using the Allura tool to then see which ones are getting sales. But in addition to that, one idea that I had is you obviously get other types of templates which may not be necessarily looked for as Canva templates. So for example, resume or CV templates, which also sell on Etsy. You could create those as a Canva template. I mean, obviously you could create them as any kind of document, but it'd be great to create those in Canva and sell them here on Etsy. I think this idea could be used for any kind of digital template that could be created in Canva and just be sold on Etsy. So that's just about it for this video. I hope to show you more of how I'm building my Etsy shop from scratch in upcoming videos. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell notification if you've not done so already, as I'm going to be making more videos like this. There's also a link in the description if you want to try out the Allura tool that I'm using to do my research. And there's also a link if you want to get access to my Etsy shop branding checklist, which I'm using to brand my own store from scratch. And I'll see you in a future video.